Hey there, fellow Chalk and friends. It's Megan Maria, your independent Chalk Couture designer. Welcome, welcome. Let's make it Monday. Give me 2 seconds here and I'll be up. Hey, Debbie. Hey, Cheryl. Welcome. Welcome to our Chalk Party. I'm sorry I'm late. We are going to make a quick, little, easy Make It Monday bundle here. So let me show you here what we got going on. Tonight we are going to make our Be Brilliant, which I think is a really nice little project for not just graduations. We talked about it for graduations last night, but I think it's a really nice little bundle for all kinds of fun things. You know, we should all be brilliant, right, from time to time. So I think, you know, we talked about it last night in context of graduations. However, I think this is a cute little thing to put in a classroom, in a cubicle, in a think tank, anywhere where you would have people that should be brilliant. So this is our Make It Monday bundle. This bundle is available in the Making Maria VIP group. So if you are not currently in the Making Maria, oh, that's the wrong one, sorry. If you're not currently in the Making Maria VIP group, you can go to the Making Maria VIP group and request to join, or you can comment add me, or VIP group, I'm sorry, VIP group, and I will get you in that group. And then you can see the bundle. What a Make It Monday bundle is it's a bundle where I have all the products. So the transfer, which before it's cut up, it looks like this. So you get the transfer, you get 3 paste packets, which are the colors that we're going to use tonight, which are Bumblebee, Storm, and Bright White. The board, and you get a mini squeegee. This is a small squeegee, but you get a mini squeegee. You don't need the big squeegee for this. The mini squeegee works just fine. But that's the Make It Monday bundle, which is in the Making Maria VIP group. So if you're interested in that, just message me and let me know, and I would be more than happy to get this super cute little project out to you. So let's make this bad boy. So this is just a black chalkboard. You could stain this or paint this base. What I did was I just took a black ribbon and put the little black ribbon along the bottom of it because I think it kind of jazzed it up a little bit. Hey Terry, welcome to our Chalk and Party. We're just making a quick little project. So the Be Brilliant transfer was one of the monthly Club Couture transfers. It's actually back from August. It is in the Last Chance tab of the website, which is www.chalkcouture.com/MakeItMaria. And then you can see it, but it has 3 pieces. It's a B-size transfer. I'm trying to think. Oh, it wants to go this way. It doesn't make a piece of paper. So it's a B-size transfer. B-size transfers are 8.5 by 11, and they are $14.99. So this is a really nice little transfer. It is a Last Chance one, but I have a few of them. So if you are interested, let me know because it's in the bundle. If you are not familiar with what Club Couture is a monthly subscription service where for $19.99 a month you get a transfer and 3 paste packets, just like, so for example, if this was the Club Couture, you would get your, I got them here, you would get your 3 paste packets, although white would never be one. You would get 3 paste packets and the transfer. Comes delivered to your door for $19.99 a month, and you have all you need to possibly have tons of creativity fun once a month. So that's what Club Couture is. So if you would like information about Club Couture, you can comment club, and I would be more than happy to send that to you. Last but not least, if you could please share my video, I would greatly appreciate it. It helps me tremendously. So let's quick make this bad boy. So he doesn't actually fit on this board completely. It's a little bit of a maneuvering to get him on here. So what I did was I kind of, you know, it goes off of the board, and we don't completely have, but I kind of like it that way because I think it looks more like it was meant to be there. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm trying to remember now with this one. Yeah, you start with the burst. So this is a Club Chalk Couture transfer. Chalk Couture makes adhesive silkscreen transfers that you can reuse over and over and over again. So they make beautiful, beautiful things, and you can use them. lots and lots of times, which is a super nice feature to them. And it is sticky. I should be fuzzing this. So when you fuzz your transfer, so you take your transfer off the backer, you put it on something fuzzy that has lint to it. So a terry cloth towel, this is the Chalk Couture fuzzing towel. You can put it on your jeans, your t-shirts, your sweatpants, your bathrobe, bath towel. Anything that would pick up fuzz is what you're really looking to do, because you're trying to make it not quite as sticky so that it doesn't have to work as hard to get pulled off. So we're going to line this guy up to make him fit on our little board. Let me get rid of that so that you can see. So thank you all of you who shared my video. I greatly appreciate that. We are going to use 3 colors. We're going to use Bumblebee, we're going to use Storm, and we're going to use White, because those are the fun colors that I put together in the bundle. When you open up your chalk paste, you're going to stir them. You want them to be a yogurt or sour cream like consistency. When you have these fun little packets, what you're going to do with them is you're going to knead them, just like this. You know, just squish them around. That's basically the same concept as stirring. Then you're going to cut the corner off. You're going to put it on a plate or on a dish, and then you're going to dip your squeegee in it. You may need to add some water and stir it up. You can just stir it up right with a spoon if you find it's super dry. You can just cut the little corner off of it and just put it right on your project. My hands are frozen. Oh, now they're moving again. Okay, so you can cut the corner. Now they're frozen again. And then just, you know, kind of smoosh it onto you and then squeegee it. Or you can put it on a dish and dip your squeegee in the dish, whichever works best for you. But these packets are super nice because they really give you an opportunity to try lots of different colors for not a big investment. So they're kind of fun because they give you lots of choices. So I am just stirring up our 3 colors. Thank you so much for sharing my video, Debbie. Hello, Nicole. Welcome to our chalking party. Ooh, my Bumblebee needs a little drink. So, see, he's kind of thick. Not too bad, I suppose, once I get in a stirring. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give him a little spray of water. That's all you would do, and stir it up. Water is a good thing because it's chalk. It does dry out. So you just stir it up and get it to the consistency that you want it to be. Okay, so I am going to, I'm not centered, so we're going to try that again. With my little guy here. Try to get that one in the center. This is a really cute little board. You've used these boards for a couple different things. It's kind of, I like it because it's an unusual shape. Okay, so make sure I'm going to fit here. Pretty close. Okay, so I just put my transfer down on my surface and then I rub out the air. And then I'm going to dip and go with my squeegee. So in the little bundle, the bundle comes with a mini squeegee. Nope, that's not a mini squeegee. That's a cut-up squeegee. Where's my minis? Okay, where's my mini squeegees? Okay, a mini squeegee. Hang on. I'll find one. They're here somewhere. But I'll show you a mini. Oh, my minis. So there's 2 different squeegee sizes. This is a small squeegee and this is a mini. The small squeegees are $5 and you can buy them individually. The mini squeegees come in a pack of 12. So, and I think the pack of 12 is $24.99. So they don't come individually, which is why when I tend to do things, I tend to do mini squeegees just because otherwise you'd have to buy 12 of them. And that way it gives you an opportunity to kind of grow a small collection of mini squeegees because I use the mini squeegee a lot. I like its size, I like its resistance, I think it works really well, especially for something little like this. So I'm just going to go right along my burst. I'll just dip my little squeegee in my paste and go right along. Because I can't really see where my chalkboard is and where it isn't. I can feel it as I push my squeegee on it, but because my chalkboard kind of goes at an angle, I know that I'm going off of the chalkboard a little bit with my paste, but that's okay because it will wash right off. So I just squeegee my paste on to kind of give me that little arc. Take my excess paste, I put it right back in my container. If you had the little packets what you would do is try to get it back in the container. Not easy to do. Okay, so I'm just going to pull my burst off. So see, voila, we have the burst. And then I take my transfer and I stick it right in a water bath, which is just a dish pan that I have that is filled with water. Hey Jill, thanks. Welcome to our truck and party. So I'm going to dry this because we're going to layer. You want your paste to be completely dry before you put any layer on top of it. Because what happens is, if it's not dry, first off you smear the chalk, and you risk the sticky part of the transfer pulling up the paste. So I am just going to quick dry it. It takes 2 seconds to dry because it's chalk. It dries super fast. The other thing I'm going to do is I grab a baby wipe. You don't need a baby wipe. A wet paper towel works just fine. A napkin, anything. And I wipe my squeegee off because I'm going to use it again with a different color. And I want to make sure that I have not yellow. I'm going to dip it in white. I don't want it to be yellow, right? So I'm just wiping off my squeegee. And then we're not going to use this anymore. So I want to close it up because I don't want to risk it drying. And what I do is I go all the way around the edge and I put my excess back in. I do, when you have a big paste, I do put a layer of water on it before I store it, just so that it has that little barrier and it helps keep them nice. Because this is one of my original pastes. So that paste is getting to be about a year old and it still works. See all my little schnivels all over my board? That's what happens when you have dried up paste. Don't open and close up your paste over your project is the moral to that story. Someday I'm going to learn to not do that, and I will stop doing that, but I seem to have that problem and I do that all the time. Okay, so I'm all done with my yellow. I'm going to just get those little schnivelly guys off my project, and we are going to do our Be Brilliant part. You just got, Verge, you have some delay issues, Verge. I wonder, it must be your internet, Verge. Okay, so again, there we go. Okay, so I'm fuzzing my transfer, and I'm going to stick my little Be Brilliant right in between our little burst guys, and try to center it best I can, because I can't really see underneath. There is a space in between it. Okay, so this is a lot of screen. So what you want to do, I keep freezing on me too, Verge. So maybe tonight the internet is me, not you. We're going to just do this real quick. What will happen is because it records it for the replay won't freeze. So you'll be able to see it for the replay, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push my green letters down because I want to make sure that they're good and stuck, so that when I squeegee my white paste over them, they're good and stuck. So now I'm just going to take my squeegee, got my white paste, I'm going to dip and go right over it. This is one of my very favorite signs. This is one of the very first signs I ever made. I just think, so we went to Florida for spring break, and we had the opportunity to tour the Edison and Ford winter estates in Fort Myers, Florida, and they were so cool. So I've kind of been obsessed with light bulbs ever since then. I don't know why I've been obsessed with light bulbs. Maybe because there were light bulbs all over the Edison estate. But okay, so I'm going to pull from the middle of my transfer, just like that. I'm going to stick my transfer right back in my water bath. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to dry it again. Now I'm drying it just for the simple fact I don't want to stick my finger in it. And then all we have left to do is put our little base of our light bulb on and we're done. So super fast, quick, little easy project. I think this would look really cute on a teacher's desk. In fact, I'm thinking that this little sign here might be making its way to my kids' classroom. Because I think it is super cute. Just be brilliant, right? Who shouldn't? We should all be brilliant. So now I'm going to put my base on my light bulb. And again, I'm just going to fuzz it to make sure he's not super sticky, because it is going to go over just a tiny smidge so that he lines up with the bottom of our light bulb. This bottom of this light bulb, this reminds me upside down of a beehive. I don't know why, because it looks like a beehive to me. Okay, so I'm just going to put my little base of my light bulb on, and then I'm just going to dip and go again. Now this time I'm using Storm. That's the color we're using this time. So I'm just going to squeegee on my Storm. Oops. Make sure I get all my lines out. Put my excess back in my container. Wipe off my squeegee. This is going to be a quick, easy, fast, little project for Make It Monday. So if you're interested in making this project, you could just go right to the Making Maria VIP group and you will see the package in there, which gives you everything you need to make it. It's frozen again. Now the top of me isn't frozen, but the bottom of me is. Isn't that strange? Like, what makes one camera freeze versus the other? Oh, if only I was a technical person. I could probably answer that question, but I'm not a technical person. Okay, so I'm just wiping off my squeegees, and here's our cute and adorable little project. So what I did with this one was I just took a little ribbon and I put it on the bottom. You could do any color. A wild berry ribbon verge would look very nice as well. But you could really do any color. But this is our super cute, quick, and easy project. So if you're interested in this, you would go to Making Maria VIP group and you would see, and then you would, if you're interested, just message me and I can either ship it to you if you're not local. If you are local to the Brookfield, Waukesha, Milwaukee area of Wisconsin, I'm more than happy to deliver it or have you pick it up, whatever works easier for you. So that's my quick, easy, little fast project. Tomorrow is Target Tuesday. We typically make a project on Tuesdays from the Target Bullseye section, and I have it. It's going to be cute. We're going to start playing with some fun things this week. I'm kind of on graduation mode, so this is a super cute little Be Brilliant sign that I think would make a wonderful graduation gift, because that doesn't take up a lot of space, will look cute in a dorm room. That's what I have too, Maria. That's what you have too, Maria. What do you have too, Verge? I don't know, Verge. I'm sorry, Verge. I can't remember what I just said, Verge. Sorry. All right, so this is a really cute little project. If you're interested, comment VIP group if you're not in the group. Otherwise, just go in and check it out. The pictures and everything are already there. I put them there this morning. So thanks for watching me. I hope you have a super fantastic Monday night. Sleep well, ladies, and I will be back at you tomorrow night for Target Tuesday. Thanks so much. I'm Making Maria, your independent Chalk Couture designer. Have a great night, ladies. And gentlemen, because, you know, we got guys too. See you guys.